Indira Gandhi, the Iron Lady of India. Indira Gandhi, often referred to as the Iron Lady of India, was one of the most significant political figures in Indian history. Serving as the first and only female Prime Minister of India, she played a pivotal role in shaping the country's political landscape and modernizing its economy. Her tenure was marked by groundbreaking policies, bold decisions, and significant challenges, making her one of the most influential leaders of the 20th century. Despite controversies and criticism, her legacy endures as a leader who left an indelible impact on India and the world. Early life and education. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was born on November 19, 1917, in Allahabad, India, to Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, and Kamla Nehru, a freedom fighter. As the daughter of Nehru, she grew up in a politically charged environment, witnessing India's struggle for independence. Her early years were shaped by the sacrifices and hardships of her family during the independence movement. Indira was educated at prestigious institutions, including Shantiniketan, founded by Rabindranath Tagore, and later at Oxford University in England. Her education abroad exposed her to diverse political ideologies and strengthened her resolve to serve her country. Entry into politics. Indira Gandhi's formal political career began in the 1940 when she joined the Indian National Congress, Inc. She served as an aide to her father during his tenure as Prime Minister, 1947-1964, gaining experience and insight into governance and international diplomacy. In 1959, she was elected as the President of the Indian National Congress, further establishing her presence in Indian politics. Following the death of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964, Indira Gandhi became a member of the Rajya Sabha, Upper House, and served as the Minister of Information and Broadcasting in Lal Bahadur Shastri's cabinet. Her political acumen and rising popularity paved the way for her elevation to the position of Prime Minister. Tenure as Prime Minister. Indira Gandhi served as the Prime Minister of India from 1966 to 1977 and again from 1980 until her assassination in 1984. Her leadership style was characterized by bold decision-making, centralization of power, and an unwavering commitment to India's development and security. Green Revolution. Indira Gandhi played a crucial role in transforming India's agriculture through the Green Revolution, which introduced high-yield crop varieties and modern farming techniques. This initiative significantly boosted food production, making India self-sufficient in grains and reducing dependency on imports. Nationalization of banks. In 1969, she undertook the nationalization of 14 major banks, a transformative step aimed at bringing banking services to rural areas and directing credit toward agriculture and small industries. This move was instrumental in democratizing India's financial sector. Bangladesh Liberation War. One of the most defining moments of her career was her decisive leadership during the Bangladesh Liberation War. India provided support to the Mukti Bahini, Bangladeshi freedom fighters, and, after a brief war with Pakistan in 1971, played a key role in the creation of Bangladesh. This victory elevated India's stature on the global stage. Pokhran nuclear test, 1974. Under her leadership, India conducted its first nuclear test at Pokhran in 1974, codenamed Smiling Buddha. This demonstrated India's scientific prowess and marked its entry into the nuclear club, solidifying its defense and energy capabilities. The emergency, 1975-1977. The most controversial period of Indira Gandhi's career was the declaration of a state of emergency from June 25, 1975, to March 21, 1977. Triggered by a court ruling invalidating her election due to alleged electoral malpractice, Indira responded by suspending democratic norms, curbing press freedom, and arresting political opponents. During this 21-month period, civil liberties were curtailed. Forced sterilization campaigns were conducted as part of population control measures. Political dissent was ruthlessly suppressed. While the emergency stabilized the economy and implemented some infrastructural projects, it severely tarnished her reputation. She lost the 1977 general election, marking the first defeat for the Congress party since independence. Returned to power and later years. Despite her defeat, Indira Gandhi remained a formidable political force. She returned to power in the 1980 general election, leveraging her grassroots connection with the masses. Her second term was marked by efforts to restore economic growth and address challenges posed by regional and communal tensions. Operation Blue Star, 1984. Indira Gandhi's decision to launch Operation Blue Star, aimed at flushing out armed militants from the Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab, proved controversial. While it quelled separatist sentiments, it deeply hurt Sikh sentiments and led to widespread unrest. Assassination. On October 31, 1984, Indira Gandhi was assassinated by her Sikh bodyguards in retaliation for Operation Blue Star. Her death sparked violent anti-Sikh riots across India, a tragic chapter in the country's history. Legacy and impact. Indira Gandhi's legacy remains a complex mix of achievements and controversies. She is remembered for her unwavering determination, her ability to make tough decisions, and her vision for a modern and self-reliant India. At the same time, her authoritarian tendencies and controversial policies during the emergency period remain points of criticism. Achievements. She is credited with laying the foundation for India's self-reliance in agriculture and defense. Her leadership during the Bangladesh Liberation War is celebrated as a historic triumph. She remains a symbol of women's empowerment, breaking gender barriers in Indian politics. Controversies. The emergency period remains a dark spot in her career. Her centralization of power and reliance on populist policies often alienated opposition leaders and intellectuals. Awards and recognition. Indira Gandhi received numerous honors and accolades during her lifetime and posthumously. Bharat Ratna, 1971, India's highest civilian award. Lenin Peace Prize, 1984, for her efforts in promoting international peace. Her name continues to be associated with various institutions, programs, and public works, symbolizing her enduring influence on Indian society. Indira Gandhi was a complex and dynamic leader who shaped India's destiny during critical moments. Her life was a saga of triumphs and challenges, marked by an unwavering commitment to the nation. Whether admired for her achievements or criticized for her authoritarian tendencies, Indira Gandhi remains a towering figure in Indian history. Her story is not just one of power but of resilience, courage, and a relentless drive to serve her country. Indira Gandhi's legacy as the Iron Lady of India continues to inspire leaders and citizens alike, serving as a reminder of the possibilities and perils of strong leadership in a democracy.